Let's look at her hair color before the molecular mending treatment. We are pre-conditioning her hair prior to a bleach root touch-up in 2 weeks, delivering amazing blonde hair color to clients with natural hair color levels 5 and below takes skill. We're always dealing with the eumelanin pigment. All minorities have eumelanin pigment. Europeans don't. That's Asian, Indian, African, Eskimo, Haitian, Caribbean, Black American. This demi-permanent molecular mending hair treatment is incredible. Her hair is shiny, her hair is glossy, her hair is healthy, and her color is everything. What do you think? When was the last time you saw a natural level 1 with blonde hair color this beautiful? Clients can try to bleach their hair at home, but they'll never achieve these dimensional results. If you're ready to step up your hair color game, come visit us at beautywellnesshaircare.com.